Okay guys, welcome back, and again this is our rarest Kyosho Mini Z unboxings, and the table just totally kind of full. I've just got a few more kind of left, guys. I'm going to show you my favourite. This is probably my all-time favourite Kyosho Mini Z, and this was the first rare one I ever got, and I remember I got this from America, and this is when I kind of fell in love with chrome Mini Zs, guys, because it was just a fantastic body shell. You know, even till this day, the shape, the colour, it's just amazing, man. So, this is the Kaihin HSV-010 2010. Okay, and this is one of the official rare Kyosho Mini Zs, guys. And yep, I should take it out of the case and show you properly. I should take it out of the case. I'll give you a little glimpse of it like this. What do you think? That probably is my favourite. That's probably the number one spot right there. Let me take it out. I would never take this out of the display case and put it on display stand, but it's all good, guys, with you lot. Yeah, man, they have just got that perfectly right. That is probably the best colour scheme I have ever seen on a Mini Z. That chrome is mental. Blue chrome, two-tone with silver chrome at the bottom, and beautiful. That colour is just beautiful, man. Totally beautiful. And that two-tone kind of look goes all around the car, and it's got everything I like. It's got the flared out look, it's got the spoiler kind of vent at the front, jacked up spoiler at the back. Nice wheels. They're not deep dish, but they are actually nice wheels. And that is my favourite Kyosho Mini Z. Definitely. And like it says here, they only made 1,500 pieces of that. So it's an officially rare Kyosho Mini Z. They did loads in this shape. They've got the weeder version, and they've got the red one, I can't remember, but this definitely the Kaihin one. Amazing. Kaihin Real Racing, this is a Super GT. Well, look at it on the display stand, guys, and let it do its justice. Because it's not drowning in decals, it's just right, man. But I can't get over that colour. That colour is just beautiful, honestly. Tell me, I don't know what you guys think, but that is the best blue I've ever seen on an RC car. Best blue ever. You get the candy blue and all that, but to have this chrome effect, you can see the ceiling, man. Beautiful. Wow. That definitely is, you know, you deserve to go on the top, my friend. You go down here, you go up here, you are the Don. I mean, he just stands out anyway. And the next one I'll show you guys, I bought this as a ready-to-run version, so it came all boxed up with the whole remote and everything like that. But again, this is one of those 50th anniversary Kyosho releases. This was one in, can't remember, 2000 or 3000, and again it was chrome, and I like chrome. I changed the wheels out because the wheels that they had on were rubbish. They looked horrible, and I felt these were a bit more of a Lamborghini look. So I took these off the new NSX that's in metallic blue and red, and I thought it had more of a Lamborghini look to it. This is chrome again, and looks awesome, but not touching that blue, man. That blue is killer. So nice again, guys, and you can see that, you know, chrome just has its own look to it, you know what I mean? And this was one that I was going to use in an upcoming video, so it was kind of like nice, but it can't hold a candle to that bad boy over there. That is number one. I'm going to make a list of my top 10. Number one is there, you've just seen it, guys. I've never made a video of that one. First time I ever brought that out. First time it's ever actually come out of its plastic casing. So, you know, the actual cover that goes on it, let alone come out of a display case. So you're going to see that. And yep, that is one of my favourites. So, whoa, it's all happened today, man. All happened today. I didn't think I'd bring that out one. That one was cherished. I just kept that safe. That was the first rare I ever bought. And at the same time I bought that, I bought a police car. And they were the first two rare Kyosho Mini Zs I bought. And that one, I'd love to put that in a video. I just don't want to damage it. That's the only problem. So, okay, I've just got a few more. I think I'm going to put all the rest of them into one vid, I think, guys. Because it's going to go on too long. Let me just do like a bit of a bumper edition on the next one. I think... Yeah, I think we'll do that. I think... But yeah, man. Woo! I still like that. That's still kind of taking my heart away, guys. My breath away, everything, man. Wow. I don't know. I mean, do you think there's something better than that? I don't. But each to their own. But if you feel that there's a Kyosho Mini Z body shell better than that, put it in the comments, guys, because that for me has got everything I want. Okay. Right, guys. On to the next vid. And yep, let's just see what other babies are in store. Okay. See it on the display stand, guys. You really want to see that. Thank you for watching and subscribe, please. And here, guys, we have my all-time favourite Kyosho Mini Z. I mean, this was the first or second rare Mini Z I'd bought. And from that day till now, nothing's changed. It's still the baddest Mini Z they've got. That beautiful blue chrome. I've seen no other Mini Z with that kind of chrome on it. And then it blends into the chrome at the bottom, which is like a silver kind of look. And even with the bumpers, the blue that they've got there, it's like a metallic effect on it. With the wheels, it's amazing. So this is basically the Kaihin Honda HSV010. This is the Super GT version of 2010, and this is number 17. And this, from what I know, guys, is super, super rare. So this is one of them officially limited edition cars. Only 1,500 were made. So yeah, an amazing car. And HSV basically means Honda Sports Velocity. And they basically made this car to compete in the Super GT racing series. I don't know what you guys think of it, but you know, I kind of held off on naming that as my favourite Mini Z, but nothing's changed. It is bad. But surprisingly, you can still get them on eBay. I've seen 2 in Japan that have come up, so they are still available. But whoever's got them, they're not racing them. So yeah. So when the original car was a 3.4 litre V8 engine. And yeah, it was a real beast. I mean, leave your comments, guys. Tell me what you think. That could stay there all day, man. Could watch that baby all day. So this number 17 car had been driven by someone called Kaneshi Toshihiro and Tusaku... Sorry guys, butchering Japanese names. Tusakakoshu Kudal. And basically they scored 1 win at the Sugo Championships, Super GT Championships. But yep. I mean, it's funky, man, because I didn't know there was a history behind a lot of these cars. I mean, I knew obviously they were based on real cars and were replicas of them, but the GT version, well, most of them, they've actually got a history, man. But that's my little baby. I like that one. I'm gonna make a list, guys, of my top 10 Mini Zs. Yeah, you've just seen number 1, but you'll be pretty happily surprised to see the other ones. They aren't run of the mill. They're kind of amazing as well. And they're all very rare. So look out for that list. And you know what? Wow. I've never taken that out of its case Had that for about 4 or 5 years or something like that. And I had no intention of taking it out, and I thought, you know what, I need to show it off, man. I need to show you guys. And I didn't fancy just leaving it on the actual stand itself, you know, its own case stand. You got to see the real deal, man. So yep, when I was cutting the tape, I was like, oh man, I never planned on doing this. But there it is. Enjoy. Okay, let's move on. So it's got chrome on the roof as well. So the whole car is just one amazing chrome machine, man. Beautiful. I don't know, tell me what you think, guys, but I think that's the most amazing Mini Z they've made. Let's move on. Okay, guys, so here we've got the anniversary version of the Lamborghini Murcielago, and that was the 50th anniversary, and they brought out this Lamborghini in chrome red. And chrome red is amazing, guys, but if you've seen my Kyosho HSV Honda, that blue chrome's mind-blowing. It fades into like a normal chrome, but yeah, it's beautiful. So this is still good. I think they made, I can't totally remember, guys. I think it was 2,500 of these are made. But it is limited edition. It's officially limited edition. The chrome one is anyway. Other ones, there's loads. So yeah, a bit of history. I didn't have a case for this one because I bought it as a ready to run. But cool little machine, guys. One of my favourite Mini Zs that I've got, now it's not in my top 10, but one of my favourites is the Lamborghini that's in a pearl green. And it's you would have seen it in the video. I don't know if you've seen my race video, guys, where it's Lamborghini versus Ferrari 458, and you can see that Lamborghini in there, and it looks sweet. It's nice. And even that Mini Z, I remember buying it. And I don't know if I don't think it'd been modified to some other level, but it had some real kind of grunt, and you could hear it taking off, and you could hear it driving. Whereas normally they don't have that. So that Mini Z was always quite special to me. It was an early one that I bought, but it just seemed to have a bit of kick, and so I always kind of liked it. So yeah. Now you would have noticed that the wheels on this aren't the stock wheels that come with the Lamborghini, because they are horrible with capital H, horrible. Didn't like them at all. I felt these were more Aventador kind of looking wheels that came. These came off the newer version of the Honda NSX, the blue metallic version. So I took them off there, put them on here, and they look totally amazing. So, but I didn't deprive the NSX because I gave him a new look. I gave him a new look as well. This is how he looks. So he's got the gold rims, and that's a nice metallic blue. So I just swapped the wheels out, and I think that looks alright. Deep dish on there, and it fitted really nice. Okay, let's move on.